Listen, brethren, comparison has no ceiling. There will always be someone who has more money, a bigger house, a better car, more followers, more opportunities, or what appears to be a better life. That's life. So now if your life or your happiness depends on being ahead of others, you will never truly arrive. Hear me well. The moment you reach one level, comparison creates another level to chase. That's the trap. Instead of asking, am I better than them? Ask this question. Am I better than I was yesterday? Your journey is unique. Your timing is different. Your struggles are also different. And your definition of success doesn't look like someone else. Celebrate others without using their success as evidence that you are failing. Measure your progress by growth, not by comparison. Because comparison is no ceiling, but gratitude, purpose, and personal growth can actually give you peace. My brothers, my sisters, run your race. Your greatest competition is who you were yesterday. You are made of heaven. Stay in your lane. You are bigger and better in God's eyes. God bless you.